Welcome to another playlist, Generative AI. Here you are. I hope you are doing extremely well, and we are going to start a new playlist called Generative AI. So, we will explore the Generative AI, how actually the Generative AI work, and behind the scene, what's happened in Generative AI. How can you use Generative AI? Doesn't matter what is your background, you are from technical person or not, but you must need to know the Generative AI. So, we'll explore the Generative AI. We'll deep dive into Generative AI. We will explore how you use ChatGPT, DeepSeek, Midjourney, and much more AI tools efficiently. So let's deep dive into the today's session. The problem currently going on in the traditional learning. I mean the traditional AI education. So what is the problem we're facing? So I'm encouraged there's four problems that is needed in traditional AI learning pathway. So first of all, outdated tools and knowledge. So most of the AI education and most of the course they are just learning the outdated tools, like the outdated methodology. They're learning how to build a machine learning models. They teach you how to build a machine learning model using scikit-learn or any other learner. But right now, the generative AI is happening, right? So you need to know the generative AI. So we will deep dive into the generative AI. Then we will focus how you can build your own generative AI from scratch. We are not focusing the theoretical part. We are most probably focusing on the practical part. But the issue with traditional education is they are focusing on the theoretical, and that's what DeepSeek is happening. The deep research by the open source, right? So they are researching deep, but the model of DeepSeek R1 is open source. So if you don't know what is the open source, obviously you write a comment. I will explain the open source in a separate video. Oh, and I will explain how actually the open source is work, how open source communities work, what is the community. So I will explain each and everything in a separate video. If you want, obviously. So write in the comment section. So, oh. And the most probably is the insufficient guidance on practical applications. The education system, like the AI education system. I'm a student. I am also a student. I learning currently I'm passing. I'm in the final years of my bachelor's. But in this education system, so in my syllabus, there is there is a subject called AI machine learning, but there is no practical applications on there. There, most of the parts is focusing on the theoretical side, like support vector machines. How can you build a support vector machine? This is totally the theoretical part, and like the uh, re- reinforcement learning, right? Reinforcement learning. The whole reinforcement learning theory part is available in our subject. There is no practical application. How can you use reinforcement learning to build your own AI model? Like the basic R1 was built using the reinforcement learning. So if you don't know about reinforcement learning, write comment in the below, and I will explain how actually reinforcement learning work in an AI model in a separate video. What is our solution? So we'll focus the generative AI in this course. We'll discover the power of ChatGPT, DeepSeek, and other generative tools, how they are helping the industry like the web development, app creation, content generation, and much more. Yeah, obviously we have some experts who is who is expertise in AI tools like ChatGPT, DeepSeek, DeLE, Midjourney. They are part using this tool. So we will connect and part will guide you. They teach you how you use these tools like them, and you will learn with your hand. So it's an hands-on learning. You learn by doing. You will guide step by step to use generative AI, create websites, apps, and other tech solutions, build real world projects, and see how AI can transfer the development process. Yeah, this is time for AI. This is time for learning the generative. If you miss it, you will miss a lot of things. You know what's happened with Nokia, right? Nokia didn't accept Android, so that's why right now Nokia is this time we need to adopt with AI. This time we need to learn AI because right now the era of AI. So yeah, the next thing is cutting edge technology. We are skip outdated tools and jump straight into the latest technology. Companies are using generative AI. It's the future, and we are bringing it to you. And most important thing that is language accessibility. Yeah, this is an introduction video. That's why I'm creating this video in international language, English. But but course is available in three different languages. Either you can watch in Hindi, English, or my native language, Bengali. Obviously, this course is available in three different languages, but content of this course is same. Why you choose this course? Obviously, first of all, this course is absolutely free. This course is absolutely free and absolutely for beginners. And this course is available on YouTube. You can search Code Hack in YouTube, and under the Code Hack there is a playlist called Generative AI. So inside this playlist you will watch all courses. Right now there is only one video available. So that's one. And in upcoming times we will upload the all video, and after completing the each video we will upload it on our channel. So make sure you subscribe our channel Code Hack. So in generative AI in action, you will learn how to generative AI tools like ChatGPT, DeepSeek, create an actual website. You are all know about the website, right? Like the ChatGPT, also an website. Like Google.com. When you visit Google.com, there is an web page, an image of Google. When you visit Facebook, there is an website on web. You visit Facebook.com. This is actually a domain mapping with an IP addresses. So how actually these websites work, how actually you build your own website using generative AI. We'll teach you hands-on experience. You will build your project from the from ground to advance, utilizing the AI-driven tool for everything from design to development. Ensure you gain practical experience throughout the course. Real prac- practical real-world application. You will gain the skills to develop innovative websites, applications, and even automation system using generative AI. Technology, preparing you for real-world challenges. Yeah, the most part is structure. Structure, charge. Everyone likes structure. Right? That's why we are focusing on structure learning. This course is based on structure learning. We'll deep dive from the beginning to the advance. First of all, we will know how actually ChatGPT work. Then we'll deep how we use ChatGPT. How can we use DeepSeek? Then we will deep dive how can we use ChatGPT DeepSeek to build our HTML website. Then we will go into the advanced. How can we deploy this website? And obviously, let us learn from professionals. Or expert who is expert in their field, like someone expert in development, someone expert in web development, someone expert in app development. They will teach you how you use generative AI in the field of development. In the field of your field, suppose you are not from the technical background, you do not use any type of programming languages, but someone someone who is also not a technical person, but how actually he increase his productivity using generative AI. Share his knowledge, share his thought to you. You can also use this generative AI to increase your productivity as well. Introduction to generative AI tools like ChatGPT, DeepSeek, Daily, understanding generative AI, the importance of tools like ChatGPT, DeepSeek, and Daily on industry such as development, content creation, and design. The fundamental knowledge will set the stage for exploring more advanced applications of this technology. Then we will go into some advanced like how we use ChatGPT for our development purpose. So we will learn how to utilize ChatGPT for coding and automations. This includes creating scripting, writing documentations, and generating HTML and JavaScript for websites and apps, enhancing your development efficiency. Then we will go deep dive into a more advanced concept with AI powered website creations. We'll discover how to build entire website from scratch using generative AI tools, from design layout to creating content. You will learn how tools like ChatGPT can significantly speed up the web development process. Then we will deep dive into more advanced like the mobile application development. We will build mobile apps with generative AI. We'll deep dive into the React Native, that is a hybrid platform that you can build a single platform but works in multiple platform like Android, iOS, Windows, Mac seamlessly. But you need to write code into a single code base. So we'll explore how generative AI can help you to build your own mobile applications. So we'll explore how to integrate generative AI into a mobile app development. You will learn to create user interface and generate functional code, streamlining the app building process and enhancing usability. Then we will deep dive into the latest and most famous right now, the DeepSeek R1. Deep research, but free. So DeepSeek, and we will deep dive into the AI for data management. How data management is work. How can you efficiently data manage your data using AI and generative AI? Yeah, obviously creativity with generative AI. That's really a great point. We'll explore how AI enhance creativity in development, including generating image or image to code or UI element and content for websites and application, enabling more innovation approach to design and functionality. Suppose you want to create a website but you don't know how actually create a website, but you know some website, so you just take a screenshot, you give this screenshot into the generative AI and you just write a prompt that I need a website like the above screenshot. So that and the generative AI will create a website for you, and we will explore how you change in your code and deploy this website into your domain. So what is the prerequisite for this course? Yeah, if you're thinking something that's, oh, we need to, first of all we need to learning coding. No, this is not actually true. You don't need to learn coding, and you don't need any prior coding knowledge, or you don't need any knowledge in AI or machine learning. Obviously this course is designed for beginners, meaning you can dive right in without needing any previous knowledge of coding or artificial intelligence. Obviously you need to be fascinated about generative AI, you need to be fascinated about technology, otherwise you can't learn. So if you're fascinated, you are welcome to this journey, the journey of generative AI. And obviously, being open to new ideas and technologies is vital. This course will cover the latest advancement in AI, and your enthusiasm for learning will help you observe and apply this knowledge effectively. Obviously, last one that is required for this course, obviously. So this is you have a computer and a stable internet connection. Obviously, if you don't have any computer, you write it in the comment below that we don't have any computer but we have a smartphone, then we will create a separate course for a smartphone as well as, because I want you need to learn generative AI. It doesn't matter if you have computer or smartphone, but obviously this course is focusing on computers, so you need to be a computer and a stable internet connection. But if you don't have, write in write it in the comment box. Why did we create this course? Obviously, why did we create? What is my benefit for this case, for this course? Obviously, so I don't have any benefit. Honestly, I don't have any benefits for creating this course. But I want everyone know that technology. Everyone to know the generative AI, because right now generative AI is happening in the world. This is the World War IV was not happening mm, with the weapons, but it's happening with AI, with generative AI, with LLM, large language model. So everyone needs to learn the AI, machine learning, generative AI. It's essential. In 2025, it's essential for each and every person in the world, in the India, obviously. Making technology accessible, that is my aim. So everyone knows the technology, everyone knows the generative AI. And secondly, the structural learning. I'm creating this course with structured pathway, so everyone can learn AI from beginning to advanced. They don't need any, any extra courses, or they don't need any book or references. They can learn each and everything from basic to advanced from this single course. Practical knowledge, yeah, that is the most important factor of this course. This course is focusing mostly on practical. You will explore how can you build your own websites using generative AI, like ChatGPT, DeepSeeks, uh, Cloud Cloud 3.5, and something more, obviously. So, and we will explore how can you build your own generative AI using Llama or Llama. Yeah, Ola. We will explore the field of open source. Yeah, open source. So obviously we will explore Hugging Face, the most of the one place where the open source AI model was. Yeah, we will explore the Hugging Face. How can you download AI model from Hugging Face? How can you deploy it in your local machines? How can you start your own AI model locally using Ola? Yeah, we'll deep dive into some open source model like Llama 3.5, like Queen 2.5, like the latest one. Yeah, you are all know. DeepSeek R1. Yeah, we'll explore how can you deploy DeepSeek R1 locally in your local machine. So, and lastly, that is the language accessibility. So this course is not available in single language. Yeah, yeah, you're right. This course is not available in only one single language, that is English. Yeah, obviously this is an introduction video. That's why I'm creating this video in English, because English is an international language. That's why I am using English for this introduction video. But wait. This course is available English, Hindi, and my favorite native language, that is Bengali. Yeah, this course is available in three different languages. So either you can learn this course in English, Hindi, or Bengali. Because I want, when you're learning technology, there is no barrier of language. अगर आप सीखना चाहते हो तो उसमें लैंग्वेज का कोई कमी नहीं रहेगा इस कोर्स में आप तीन लैंग्वेज से सीख सकते हो, हिंदी, इंग्लिश আর বাংলাতেও এই কোর্সটা আপনারা শুনতে দেখতে পারবেন এবং সমানভাবে শিখতে পারবেন, যেমনভাবে হিন্দি হিন্দিতে শিখতে পারবেন এবং যেমনভাবে ইংরাজিতেও শিখতে পারবেন। কারণ এই কোর্সের যে কন্টেন্ট সেটা কিন্তু সেম থাকবে, যাতে সেটা আমি বাংলা ভাষা ইউজ করি, হিন্দি ইউজ করি, অথবা ইংরাজি ইউজ করি। এটা একটা ইন্ট্রোডাকশন ভিডিও, তাই এই ভিডিওটা আমি তিনটে সেপারেট ভিডিও না করে একটাতেই করছি ইংরাজিতে, কেননা ইংরাজি ইন্টারন্যাশনাল ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজ, সেই জন্য। কিন্তু পরবর্তী যে ভিডিওগুলো হবে, যে আপকামিং যে সেশনগুলো আমি রেকর্ড করব, সেগুলো কিন্তু তিনটে ডিফারেন্ট ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজেই আপনারা পাবেন। আপনারা আমাদের চ্যানেলে যাবেন, কোডে একবার প্লে লিস্টে যাবেন, এবং প্লে লিস্টে গিয়ে নিজেদের পছন্দ মতো ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজ সিলেক্ট করে আপনারা দেখবেন। আমার উদ্দেশ্য একটাই, আপনাদের কাছে টেকনোলজি পৌঁছে যায়, যাতে আপনারা সকলে জেনারেটিভ এআই সম্বন্ধে জানতে। So this is all from today's sessions. I hope you are doing well. I hope you are doing extremely well. And this is the all about our first session, the mastering generative AI. Join us and start building your future with the power of AI. AI is changing the world, and you need to adopt it. Don't ignore it. So hit the subscribe button and write a comment below. Write comment hashtag waiting for us. So we know that how much people will waiting for our answer. Bye. Have a great day.